Is one of the few priests who dare to take the gospel from the pulpit to the streets, to politics, to social life, and even to the physically challenged. Today, a lot of physically challenged are already settling and waiting for us in the hall. He touched people's life, not just with the word of God, with the Eucharist, but with the fecundity of his witness in social justice and peace world. And that is why we're celebrating him specially. Baba, may God continue to help you and bless your mission now and in the future to Christ our Lord.
You, Lord, into your sanctuary, we've come to adore you, Lord. In adoration and praise, we glorify your name. Into your sanctuary, we've come to adore you, Lord. Into your sanctuary, we've come to adore you, Lord. Into your sanctuary, we've come to adore you, Lord. In adoration and praise, we glorify your name. Into your sanctuary, we've come to adore you, Lord.
Other missionaries within today, we are celebrating Peter the Believer. You heard the story during the mass. We celebrate my one and only vicar for religious.
Ọba tí ṣoore fún ní láìpẹ́ rẹ̀ ó wá ìyọ̀ o. Bàbá ìwọ ló ń ṣoore fẹ́ni tí ò mọ̀ yìí gbogbo sì wà fún ọ. Káre ọba tí ṣoore fún ní láìpẹ́ rẹ̀ ó wá ìyọ̀ o. Bàbá ìwọ ló ń ṣoore fẹ́ni tí ò mọ̀ yìí gbogbo sì wà fún ọ. Káre káre o.
Ọba tí ṣoore fún ní láìpẹ́ rẹ̀ ó wá ìyọ̀ o.
Ó wá ìyọ̀ o.
Ìwọ ló ń ṣoore fẹ́ni tí ò mọ̀ yìí gbogbo ṣùgbọ́n fún ọ. Káre ọba tí ṣoore fún ní láìpẹ́ rẹ̀ ó wá
ṣoore fún gbogbo ṣùgbọ́n fún ọ. Káre onídùúró gbogbo wa aláàánú ẹ̀dá olóore mi tó kọjú tẹ̀mí mu. Ìwọ la ṣoore fún ní màsìrègùn gbogbo ṣùgbọ́n fún ọ. Káre
Ọba tí ń ṣoore fún ní láìpò bẹ̀rẹ̀, ó wá ìlọ.
ó yíyan bàbá mi.
Wọ́n ló ń ṣoore fẹ́ni tí ọkọ yìí, gbogbo ṣùgbọ́n fún wọn.
Ọba tí ṣoore o.
Ọba tí ń ṣoore fún ní láìpò bẹ̀rẹ̀, ó wá ìlọ.
Ìwọ ló ṣoore o.
Wọ́n ló ń ṣoore fẹ́ni tí ọkọ yìí, gbogbo ṣùgbọ́n fún wọn.